Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into the exciting world of smart homes and how they're evolving to prioritize our well-being. One key aspect of the future of smart homes is their focus on mindfulness. From lighting that adjusts to mimic natural sunlight, to air quality monitors that help create a healthier environment, these advancements are designed to enhance our overall well-being. Another important trend in smart homes is the integration of technology to streamline daily routines. Imagine a home that knows your schedule and adjusts the temperature, lighting, and even plays your favorite music automatically. This level of personalization not only saves time but also reduces stress, allowing us to focus on what truly matters. As technology continues to advance, the future of smart homes holds endless possibilities.
Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about how sticking to a routine can help boost your confidence in 3D printing. First off, having a routine helps you become more familiar with your equipment. By consistently setting up your workstation in a certain way, you'll feel more comfortable and confident in using your 3D printer. Secondly, following a routine allows you to track your progress. When you know exactly what steps you need to take each time you print, you can easily identify areas for improvement and celebrate your successes. So, whether it's establishing a regular cleaning schedule or setting aside time for design work, having a routine can help you become a more confident 3D printer user. Keep at it, and soon enough you'll be printing like a pro. Uplifting ending sentence.
Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of quantum computing and discovering how our mindset can unlock its true power. When it comes to quantum computing, mindset is everything. The ability to think outside the box and embrace new possibilities is crucial. Quantum computers operate on a completely different level than traditional ones, using quantum bits or qubits to process information in ways we never thought possible. One key aspect of harnessing the power of quantum computing is having a growth mindset. This means being open to learning, embracing challenges, and seeing failures as opportunities for growth. With the rapidly evolving field of quantum computing, having a growth mindset is essential for staying ahead of the curve. So remember, when it comes to unlocking the power of quantum computing, your mindset plays a crucial role. Stay curious, keep learning, and embrace